Uh, every weekend in the bus, I make a box and a bottle and a cuss and a cuss and a cuss like to that master pusher Mapusa who gave me a 505 for fuck on your master pusher like you see two colored brothers smoking man and ANC coming together like you the one is means of building something without you. Gaddafi was killed by Barack Obama like yeah, same cock, just a different place, same cock, just a different race. Well, let me tell you something, colored isn't a race, naya. I'm as brown as the wood, I burn the fire higher, till I expire, naya. Cop stop, naya. Triple X Tentacion forever in my heart. The music took me out of depression, thought I was gone. A real poet with real art, that's Kendrick Lamar. You say young boy is a goat, ha ha. If J. Cole isn't in your top 5, bro, then I don't know why you listen Spotify, bro. No one else in the cop, you and youngster deep. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm from the beat. I leave it in God's hands, bro, he guide my feet. Another colored king, $20 early B. Lord, please watch over Shane Eagle. He spit classic of the classic, I don't want you to leave. Forgive Casper for his big ego. Every song about the Bentley, Benita, my G. Many Adams, but nothing like Timo. Now that I say there were Adams, I bring it locally. You use cheese, but in the car, put at the caraspa. You wrap a gun, dip your hand, you will taste like custard. The next 4 bars with my bro slang. The cops and Kanye West, just a lot of hum. I have to give you roses while you still can use your lungs. So smelling while you waters from me is real love. Really, I need a bully, a bully. Niemand van die cop is a nully. You silly. Many people tell me to go vote, a bully. Only when a young man can take a real stand. A man of the people, not above but equal. Show me you worthy, then I you deserve it. Lord, give us back aka super mega please. Why did it have to be him, God, instead of me? Nowadays these rappers wanna be prominent, but who paved the way for young colors to see the continent? I'm sorry, I didn't give you roses while you're here. God took me away for a real reason. Your family, your daughter, they shed real tears. Rest in peace to a legend, rest in peace Eden. When you rap on these songs and you can still Patsula, I have to give a shout out to Mr. Ramadulas. If I had a wish to make Crow leave, R.I.P. to another desert pro king. I wish you take the Naya so and take them slowly. Mastermind is special, it's like a glow stick, glow in the dark, and it's very well a part of the senior producer club. Money you the dog. When it comes to Pushpa, there is King Burger. My lyrics stick to your tongue like it's green sherbet. Yeah, we know who's the animal, but what was the question? If I don't say your name in the song, you must my guesses. Creating boss to amplify your views desperate. That is something so unethical, I can't expect it. Ali Bane, Ali B, I won't forget to mention. At your party, even the streets, I feel it was separate. You deserve the attention. You have got the ring, to be you very special. To the man who made the rap, Daniel, a legend. To you, Z, my mentor, I want to get the lessons. Whoever made this beat, you deserve a special heaven. Hopi, temple, the sacrifice, and DDS. Those were my humble days, my beginning, yes. Jolly secret, the synapses are genius. Cape Town is the mother city and she's feeding breast. I can't respect that I take more and giving less. I take it out of my city if you agree to guess. I can beat the silent beat like we playing chess. Back to the topic, you can't deny I still got it. My ship ducky, on car advice, I have a lucky. You hide your hand when you do something, so you're a Freemason. Lucifer said that's enough, like please Jason. How can I stop now? You give you free favors. You like the Jesus of rap and people need saviors. I see you, bro. I see you.